Hi, I'm Mark DeVito. In this box, there's a project for me. It's a Ship Diorama. A good client of mine has been collecting these for years. I must have restored 100 of them for him, all nautical ship little dioramas. We received this one this week, and I have to check the condition of it and then let him know of any repairs that may happen. So I started opening up the box. Let's take a look at it. Oh my God. So this is our kit, big puzzle kit. 2 boxes filled with tons of little things, wood and metal. Here's all the larger pieces. Got the bolt, the hole is damaged over here. The floor of it disconnected from the top. I have just these 2 pieces left to go, and there's a shadow of perfect size here and here. Let's take a tour of the workshop. Busy little workshop. Looks like they've been cutting new decking boards and staining them, milling them out to the right size. They've been taking this boat apart, taking the mast off, tying it to the rafters. They're refinishing new boards to put a new deck on there, and they got the shingles drying with the stain on it. There's deck boards drying over there in the corner of the workshop. Very busy workshop, also a very sloppy workshop. It took about a week, but the job is now complete. Why don't we take a look?